Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, you can either hold it to access the settings quickly, like so, which will give you all things like sound, video quality, selfie if you want to include the front-facing camera, and additionally couple toggles right over here if you want to turn those on as well. And once you set it up the way you want, you can go back to the toggle, tap on it, and then select select your sound, which I'll be sticking with the media sound only, and then give it a couple seconds and it starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. You can additionally add your camera right here. You can start editing, drawing on your screen, and pause the video if you want to, or resume it again. Once you're done recording or whatever it is you are recording, click on the square right there and this will automatically save it. And from here, the saved recording can be found in your gallery application under screen recording albums. So open it up, and there we go. So anyway, this is basically how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.